Hey babies, it's Cece and I'm back with another tutorial. In this video I'm just doing a quick nail repair. So first thing you want to do is follow off your gel polish or any design that is on there. You also want to remove the bulk of the acrylic as much as you can without damaging the natural nail. I don't go down super thin, but I go down at least halfway. My safety bit that I'm using is a today's product course bit. I will leave that in the description box below, and I will leave all the products that I use in this video in the description box below. After you're done drilling down the nail, you're going to want to soak that nail. So I have some nail clips. I don't remember where I got them from, but I will try to leave a link in the description box. You want to get a cotton ball and you want to tear that in half because you don't need a full cotton ball. I'll soak that in acetone and apply the clip and let that soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to remove these jewels. She has some jewels fall off, so we're going to remove that. I'm going to take the same drill bit and remove the gel polish off of there and my bling gel off there as well. You want to ignore my son's hand in the background, but on this finger I am just going to file off my gel polish and my bling gel. Make sure you want to dust that down off really good. And I'm going to add a generous amount of bling gel to the cuticle area and add a few rhinestones. I got the gel and the rhinestones off of Amazon. And I'll try to put that in the link down below. I'm not sure what size rhinestones I used, but I'll try to find out for you guys. I've had these rhinestones for a while. So what I like about this is you have to cure the gel in the light for 60 seconds. I'm taking a no wipe top coat, like off Amazon as well. I'm going to add that to the nail, and I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds as well. Okay, so now I'm going back in with my e-file. I'm going to file that down a little bit. I'm not going to go all the way down to the natural nail. You do not want to damage the natural nail, and this coarse bit will damage the natural nail. You're just going to want to remove that acrylic. This could be a long process. Okay, so right here you'll see me getting all of my acrylics, my monomer and stuff ready. I'm going to take my nail brush. I cannot remember what brush this is. I'll try to leave the link in the description. It's just an old brush I've had since nail school. I have my Young Nails monomer. I'm soaking that in there. And I'm going in with my natural nail tips I got from my local supply store and some pH Bond. And I'm going to use some Pro Bond nail primer. I'm just going to use some KDS glue, and I am gluing my nail tip to the finger. I'll go with her other finger and measure it. You want to leave it a little bit longer so you have some room to file the end of it. So I'm going on with the straight edge nail clipper and my 80/80 grit file. I'm going to shape this nail into a coffin shape. Okay, so I'm going out with my nail brush and some clear acrylic. I'm going to add a thin base layer to her nail. So next I'm going to go in with my homemade cover pink acrylic I have mixed. And I'm going to go in and start applying the acrylic to the nail. First I start off right at the base of the tip, just to try and create a nice apex. And this was my third or fourth time using nails monomer. I love it, but I still had to get used to it because I was using ASP at first. So trying to get used to it, and I go in with about 6 balls of acrylic. In nail school, they taught us how to do the 3-ball and the 1-ball method. But with longer nails and a smaller brush, I have to go in with about 6 beads. I love my small brush. I get my liquid to powder ratio perfect with the small brush. I also use a size 8, a size 10, and a size 12. And I've also used a size 20 brush in the past. But smaller brushes are my favorite. I get my liquid to powder ratio perfect with a smaller brush. This client likes her nails long, nice, and thick. So I kind of make the acrylic a little thicker than I normally would, but she's really rough on her hands, so she likes me to leave her acrylic thick. So I'm going in with the same drill bit and to remove a little bit of the lumps and bumps I have in my acrylic. While you are filing, you want to make sure you look at the nail from different angles, and I had a little bit too much at the tip, so go in and look at that and get that off. So I'm going in with my 180 and 100 grit file, and I'm going to shape the nail up. As you can see, I am switching back and forth from the 180 and 100 grit side. I try my best to use just the 180, but sometimes it's a little too thick, so I have to go on with the 100. And on the tip, I use the 100 grit side as well. Now I'm going to go in with a purple buffer I got from my local nail supply store here in Nashville. And I'm just going to make sure I buff that really good. Make sure I get the mess on the sides, straighten up the sides a little bit. I'm going in with the 80/80 grit to do that.